This video is on arithmetic progressions AP of Exemplar. In this video, I have explained question number 26 to 30 of exercise 5.3. This is part 10. Now exercise 5.3, question number 26. If Sn denotes the sum of n terms of an AP, prove that S12 is equal to 3 times S8 minus S4. Now S12 is left hand side and 3 times S8 minus S4 is right hand side. Now left hand side is S12 and that is equal to 12 by 2, 2a plus 12 minus 1 d. Formula for Sn is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. 6 times 2a plus 11d. So this is our left hand side. Now let me solve right hand side. 3 times S8 minus S4. Now S8 is 8 by 2, 2a plus 8 minus 1d. 4, 2a plus 7d. And S4 is equal to 4 by 2, 2a plus 4 minus 1d. 2, 2a plus 3d. Now substitute these values in 3 S8 minus S4. 3 S8 is 4, 2a plus 7d minus S4 is 2, 2a plus 3d. 3 times this is equal to 8a plus 28d minus 4a minus 6d. This is equal to 3, 4a plus 22d. Take 2 common. This is equal to 2a plus 11d. This is equal to 6, 2a plus 11d. Now this is 1, this is 2. 1 and 2 by 1 and 2. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence S12 is equal to 3 times S8 minus S4. Now the 27th question is, find the sum of first 17 terms of an AP whose 4th and 9th term are minus 15 and minus 30 respectively. Now what you have to do? You have to find the sum of 17 terms. When 4th term A4 is given minus 15 and 9th term A9 is given minus 30. Now A4 is minus 15. It means A plus 3d is equal to minus 50. A9 is equal to minus 30. It means A plus 8d is equal to minus 30. So I have two equations. A plus 3d is equal to minus 15. A plus 8d is equal to minus 30. Find A and D. So I am using elimination method here. Minus 5d is equal to 15. So d is equal to 15 by minus 5, that is equal to minus 3. Now a plus 3d is equal to minus 15. A plus 3, value of d is minus 3 is equal to minus 15. A is equal to minus 15 plus 9, that is minus 6. Here A is equal to minus 6 and D is equal to minus 3. Now I am to find S17 and formula for Sn is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. N is equal to 17 So S17 is equal to 17 by 2, 2 into minus 6 plus 17 minus 1 into minus 3. That is equal to 17 by 2 minus 12 plus 16 into minus 3. That is equal to 17 by 2 minus 12 minus 48. That is equal to 17 by 2 into minus 60. That is minus 510, minus 510. That is the sum of 17 terms. Now the 28th question is, if the sum of first 6 terms of an AP is 36 and that of the first 16 terms is 256, find the sum of first 10 terms. Now what is given? S6 is equal to 36 and S16 is equal to 256. You have to find S10, sum of 10 terms. Now S6 is equal to 36. It means 6 by 2, 2a plus 6 minus 1d is equal to 36. 2 3s are 3, 2a plus 5d is equal to 36. It means 2a plus 5d is equal to 36 by 3. That is 2a plus 5d is equal to 12. Now S16 is equal to 256. It means 16 by 2, 2a plus 16 minus 1d is equal to 256. 8, 2a plus 15d is equal to 256. 2a plus 15d is equal to 256 upon 8. That is equal to 32. It means 2a plus 15d is equal to 32. Now, either use elimination or use substitution method to find the value of a and d. I am going to use the substitution method. Now 2a plus 5d is equal to 12. 2a is equal to 12 minus 5d. Substitute this value in 2a plus 15d is equal to 32. Instead of 2a, write 12 minus 5d plus 15d is equal to 32. It means 10d is equal to 32 minus 12. 10d is equal to 20. D is equal to 20 by 10, that is 2. Now substitute this value in any of the equation to get the value of a. So 2a is equal to 12 minus 5d. After substituting d as 2, 12 minus 5 into 2. Now 2a is equal to 2, then it implies a is equal to 1. Now a is 1, d is 2. You have to find S10. Now S10 is equal to 10 upon 2. 2a is 1 plus 10 minus 1 and d is 2. This is equal to 5, 2 plus 9 into 2. That is equal to 5, 2 plus 18. That is 5 into 20, that is 100. So sum of 10 terms is 100. That is the answer. Now the 29th question is, find the sum of all 11 terms of an AP whose middlemost term is 30. Now what is given? Middlemost term is given 30 and we don't know the middle term. And number of terms here is 11. So n here is given 11. We will find middle term now. N is odd. So there is one middle term. And that middle term will be n plus 1 by 2th term. And here is 11 plus 1 by 2th term. That is 6th term. So 6th term is the middlemost term. I am to find S11 where A6 is given 30. A6 is equal to 30 implies A plus 5D is equal to 30. Now I am to find S11. That means that is equal to 11 by 2, 2A plus 11 minus 1D. That is equal to 11 by 2, 2A plus 10D. 11 by 2, take 2 common. I'll have A plus 5D in the bracket. 2 and 2 cancelled. I have 11 A plus 5D, A plus 5D in the bracket. Value of A plus 5D, let it be 1. From 1, value of A plus 5D is 30. So 11 into 30, that is 330. 330 is the answer. So sum of 11 terms here is equal to 330. Now the 30th question is find the sum of last 10 terms of the AP, 8, 10, 12, up to 126. You have to find the sum of last 10 terms. So write it in reverse order. 126, 124, 122, 12, 10, 8. So write it in reverse order. If you write it in reverse order, then you have to find the sum of first 10 terms. So here A is equal to 126 and D is equal to 124 minus 126, that is minus 2. You have to find S10, that is equal to 10 by 2, 2 A, value of A is 126 plus 10 minus 1, D is minus 2. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1D. This is the formula for Sn. By this time, you all know this formula. 5, this is 252 plus 9 into minus 2. That is 5, 252 minus 18. This is equal to 5 into 234. That is equal to 1170. So that is the answer. So I'm going to repeat it again. If you are to find the sum of last 10 terms, what you are going to do? Write it in reverse order and then find the sum of first 10 terms. Now, here I finished this video. In this video, I have solved 5 questions, 26 to 30. In the next video, I'm going to solve next 5 questions from 31 to 35.